Hello everyone, myself Jetal from Housey and today we are here at Signature Heights, developed by Signature Dwellings, which is located in Neruluru, South Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So basically this will be the main entrance of the project and you can have a look at the main entrance. So this is the land parcel and you can even have a look at the construction site as well. And about the marketing office is just on the right hand side over here. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start this video via project overview. So this project is spread across total of 5 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers in all, where 2 towers are of ground plus 14 floors and 1 tower of basement ground plus 9 floor, having exclusive 2 BHK 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located in Neruluru in Chandapura of Electronic City in South Bangalore. Now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Neruluru road and this road over the side will connect you towards Tirumagondanahalli, that is National Highway Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So basically you can connect to MBTS World School in just 1 kilometer from the project. You can connect to Tirumagondanahalli National Highway in just 900 meters. Electronic City's toll is within 4 kilometers from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project is providing you with 40 plus luxurious amenities like of mini theatre, jogging track, co-working space, kids play zone, 14,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, yoga lawn, garden area and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project will provide you 2 BHK 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK starting from 1204 square feet to 1254 square feet. 2.5 BHK is 1475 to 1784 square feet. 3 BHK is 1649 to 1802 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window is operational right now and we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Signature Heights by Signature Dwellings located in Neruluru, South Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.